Why is ATP such an efficient chemical energy source? Imagine a tiny molecule packed with energy, ready to power every move your body makes. That molecule is ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, and it's the main energy source for living things. But what makes ATP so good at storing and releasing energy? Let's find out. Chemical energy is stored in the bonds between atoms in molecules. ATP has 3 phosphate groups linked together, and these bonds hold a lot of potential energy. The key bond is between the second and third phosphate groups. This bond is called a high energy, but because breaking it releases a lot of energy, about 7.3 kilocalories per mole under normal conditions. When ATP is hydrolyzed, that means when water breaks this bond, it turns into ADP, or adenosine diphosphate, and an inorganic phosphate. This process releases energy that cells can use to do work. ATP is so efficient because it's unstable. It naturally tends to break down, but cells control this process carefully. They couple ATP hydrolysis with other energy-requiring reactions, like muscle movement or transporting molecules across cell membranes. This coupling ensures the energy from breaking the bond isn't lost, as heat but is used directly to power these processes. Another reason ATP is so effective is that it can be quickly regenerated. Cells use energy from food or sunlight to add a phosphate group back onto ADP, reforming ATP. This cycle of breaking down and rebuilding ATP keeps a steady supply of energy available for the cell's needs. Enzymes like ATP synthase help with this process, using energy from proton gradients across membranes to add phosphate groups back onto ADP. From a thermodynamics view, ATP hydrolysis is exergonic, meaning it releases energy. Many cellular processes need energy input, which are endergonic. ATP acts as a middleman, coupling these reactions so they happen smoothly. The energy released is enough to change molecular shapes, drive chemical reactions, and even power mechanical work inside cells. Plus, ATP is small and soluble, so it moves quickly where it's needed. In terms of heat transfer and energy forms, ATP's role shows how chemical energy from nutrients transforms into other energy types. When ATP is hydrolyzed, the chemical energy is transferred into mechanical energy for muscle contraction, transport work to move molecules, or chemical energy to build new molecules. This transfer keeps life running efficiently. To sum up, ATP is an efficient chemical energy source because it stores a lot of energy in its phosphate bonds, releases that energy quickly and in a controlled way, couples reactions to prevent waste, regenerates fast, and moves easily within cells. These features make ATP the universal energy currency that powers all the activities necessary for life.